come to the left hand side. So we are saying right hand side is equal to 2 tan alpha minus sine 2 alpha over 2 sine squared alpha. Start with the obvious things. The obvious there is to change this tan, that is 2 sine alpha over cos alpha, minus sine 2 alpha, that is 2 sine alpha cos alpha. And definitely you get 2 marks just by doing that. And then leave the denominator as it is. Now the numerator is calling for addition of fractions there. So that would be the common denominator is cos alpha. That means cos alpha into the common denominator is 1 times 2 sine alpha, that will be 2 sine alpha, minus the denominator is 1 here, 1 into cos alpha, that is cos alpha, times the numerator, that will be 2 sine alpha cos squared alpha. Now we are dividing this by sine squared alpha, which we can now change to 1 over, multiplying by 1 over 2 sine squared alpha. Now looking at the numerator, we can see that sine alpha is common, so we can factor it out. So this will be 2 sine alpha, that is common, into 1 minus cos squared alpha divided by cos alpha times 1 over 2 sine squared alpha. So since this is multiplication, we can do the division. The 2 sine alpha can divide into this, and then we remain with sine alpha. So what we are having now, 1 minus cos squared alpha divided by cos alpha times 1 over sine alpha. So we can see that 1 minus cos squared alpha can be written as sine squared alpha. So allow me to come to this side. So we are saying this is now sine squared alpha over cos alpha times 1 over sine alpha. And then the division here, we can divide by sine alpha, divide by sine alpha, and will remain with sine alpha. So this will be sine alpha over cos alpha, which is equal to tan alpha, which is equal to left hand side. That is how you prove.